In today's video, I will walk you through how to send a voice message in Telegram Desktop. Sending a voice message can be a lot more convenient than typing a long message, especially when you want to explain something quickly or just prefer talking instead of typing. First things first, open up Telegram Desktop and jump into any chat you want. Now, look all the way over to the bottom right corner of your chat window, right next to where you type your messages. Usually you'll see a paperclip icon for attachments and a little smiley face for stickers. Look right next to the text input box. If you don't see a microphone icon immediately, don't panic. Sometimes it transforms or hides depending on whether you've typed text. But if the text box is empty, you should see a little microphone icon staring right back at you. Once you've spotted that microphone icon, here is how you actually record. Click and hold down your mouse button on the microphone icon. As soon as you click and hold, you'll notice a red dot popping, showing that Telegram is listening to your microphone. Go ahead and say what you need to say. Keep holding that mouse button down while you talk. When you're completely done talking, all you have to do is let go of the mouse button. The moment you release it, Telegram automatically fires that voice message off into the chat. What if you mess up halfway through, cough, or realize you're rambling? Easy fix. While you are still holding down the mouse button to record, just drag your cursor away from the microphone icon, toward the left, before letting go. Then press the Escape key on your keyboard and select Discard on a pop-up window. It will cancel the recording entirely, and you can start fresh without flooding your friend's chat with an accidental half message. And that is it. You are officially ready to ditch the keyboard and start voice chatting from your desktop. If this quick guide saved your fingers some typing today, hit that like button, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial. See ya!